Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets smoothly between exchanges. Today, we're tackling how to transfer USDT from OKX to Binance in 2025. USDT, or Tether, is a stablecoin that makes transactions stable and straightforward, and with these platforms evolving, I'll walk you through the latest steps to keep things secure and efficient. Let's jump right in. First things first, before you start, make sure you have verified accounts on both OKX and Binance. This is crucial for security and to avoid any delays. Also, ensure you have some USDT in your OKX wallet ready to transfer. Step 1. Log into your OKX account. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallet or Assets section and select USDT. Look for the Withdraw or Transfer Out option. That's your gateway to moving funds. Step 2. Choose the right network for your transfer. USDT can be on networks like Tron, ERC20, or BEP20, so double-check which one your Binance wallet supports to avoid any compatibility issues. Fees can vary, so pick the cheapest one that works for you. Step 3. Enter your Binance wallet address. This is super important. Copy it directly from Binance to prevent any typos that could send your funds into the void. Then, input the amount of USDT you want to transfer and review the details carefully. Step 4. Confirm the transaction. You'll likely need to go through a two-factor authentication process for added security. Once submitted, OKX will process the withdrawal, which might take a few minutes to an hour depending on the network. After that, hop over to your Binance account and check the deposit history or your wallet to confirm the USDT has arrived. If it doesn't show up right away, give it some time and double-check for any error messages. A quick tip. Always be aware of transaction fees and current network congestion. They can eat into your transfer. And remember, crypto is volatile, so only transfer what you're comfortable with. There you have it, folks. You've just mastered transferring USDT from OKX to Binance. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Stay safe out there and happy trading. See you in the next video.